The Irbis system is a trap monitoring system for fast response times in all environments. Keeping a constant watch over animal traps, the Irbis system makes an immediate alarm when the trap is triggered. So the animals don't have to wait long in the trap, and you can focus on other things and enjoy a good night's sleep, knowing that the Irbis system is watching over your traps. The quicker trapped animals are taken care of, the better for animal welfare. Trapped animals become stressed and could injure themselves, freeze or overheat, attract predators or be harassed by people. In some places there are legal requirements on response times too. For short response times you have to check your traps often, but going to each trap several times a day is exhausting. You can use trap transmitters, but you still have to check your traps manually, and you may have to climb a hill to hear the radio signals. Climbing hills to listen to trap transmitters or going to trap locations in remote regions with rough terrain can be risky for field personnel, especially at night or in bad weather. And where wild animals live, you can't count on network coverage.
Instead of the researcher having to go get up every 3 hours and go and monitor every transmitter, the researcher can just sleep. They can just be curled up in their sleeping bags, and the moment any trap is getting triggered, within a few seconds there is a loud alarm. Considerably reducing our response time, what the Irbis alarm system has done is that it has considerably reduced the risk of injury to the cat. So it's been like a fantastic development for us in terms of technological support.
The Irbis system runs off batteries or solar panels. It sets up its own wireless network and makes a loud trapping alarm at a chosen location such as a field camp. Built for long-term use in harsh and remote environments, it has been field proven in the mountains of Mongolia and Kyrgyzstan. Irbis Tech is based in Gothenburg, Sweden. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us to see if the Irbis system is right for you. For more information, have a look at our other video. Thanks for watching.